Welcome to our comparison video. Today, we will be looking at two popular portable clothes dryers, the Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer and the portable clothes dryer. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and what real users have to say about them. Whether you're in an apartment, RV, or dorm, finding the right dryer is crucial. Let's get started. When it comes to power, the Euhomy dryer stands out with its robust 850W motor, allowing it to handle larger loads efficiently. In contrast, the portable clothes dryer operates at 600W, which is suitable for smaller loads but may take longer to dry clothes. This difference in power can significantly affect drying times and overall performance, especially for heavier fabrics. Next, let's talk about capacity. The Euhomy dryer offers a generous 1.5 cubic feet of drying space, accommodating up to 10 pounds of wet clothes. This makes it ideal for families or those with larger laundry needs. On the other hand, the portable clothes dryer has a significantly smaller capacity, making it more suitable for individual users or small loads. This is an important consideration depending on your laundry habits. Finally, let's examine the features. The Euhomy dryer is equipped with multiple drying modes, including cold, warm, hot, and air dry, along with a safety auto-stop feature. This versatility allows users to choose the best setting for different fabric types. In contrast, the portable clothes dryer offers basic low and high temperature settings, which may limit its functionality for various fabrics. If you prioritize advanced features, the Euhomy is the clear winner. In conclusion, both dryers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer is perfect for those who need power and capacity, while the portable clothes dryer is ideal for those seeking a compact and budget-friendly option. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.